Friends, good morning. How are you all doing? As I had mentioned earlier, I'm coming back to you with the actual solution for the problems that you face in managing your company's work, or you can say tasks that we do to multiple people. I'm just sharing you a login of one demo user so you can have a view of how the screens look like. This is an Android application that's been built on one of the Flutter frameworks. On the top, you can see your profile, your name, and the profile. If you click on that, there's a picture. You can say that you can change the name, address, mobile number, email. Your subscription is available there. There's also an option of changing the themes. That's because this application is based to or made to keep you happy. So the theme or the look and feel is very important. I'll show you. I'm loading on a different theme now. See, the color combinations have changed. I'm loading it once again for you on a different theme. So you have three, four default setup themes there. Okay. And the day you open this app is the date, current date that's shown on the top, and the progress of tasks as on date is shown, as you can see in the white banner. The date of total task, how many has been done with a percentage marker. And then there are other options like my task, the task finished, the task allotted, the task pending, and the documents. Then if you go down, if there are any allocated pending tasks, it will show here. If there is nothing pending, it will show us no data available. Same way, the longest pending task. For example, a task was created a month back and still it's finishing or not finished, it's still on the progress. You can see the list that's been pending for long. It will be in a descending order with the oldest first. And if you go below, there is an expired task. Now, what does expired task mean? Expired task basically mean that you had given allocated a task which a deadline to be finished, and that's not been finished on that day. So this much data is there on your home screen. Now, if I click on the My Task, it will open all the tasks that's there with the date it was assigned, the date it was, for example, click on one of the tasks to be assigned by, assigned to, created on date, start date, end date, and last updated date. This much details you'll get on that. You can go on to any of the tasks. There is something as repetitive task for something you need every week to happen or every month to happen. That task has to be done. This basically to manage regular works that or statutory works that needs to be done in a company by some employees, and we need not remind them every month or every week that this needs to be done. This can be set up as a repetitive task, and you will have a task automatically coming up there for that employee also. The task finished, if I click on there's any task, it will show me the list of tasks that you finished. You can click on that, you can update. The task allocator is like something like that. Any pending task, it will show you whatever is pending, and click on that, you will have the details of the what is status of that. Now, documents is an option where you can upload documents and then share from here. You can select with whom you want to be shared these documents. I can open if it is a picture, I can open it. If it is an PDF, it opens in a PDF viewer. Here you go, right? And you can even post links here. Same way, there is a calendar option. You have a calendar which can be seen. You can set up reminders here. If you click on the plus there, I can set a reminder for myself on which date the reminder is needed, what time is needed. Or if you want to remind somebody of something else, something else, you can allocate that to somebody else also, and he'll be reminded that this work is pending for him. Same way, notifications, any task assigning and new tasks that we finished, and all those terms will come automatically as notifications for you to keep you updated on the happenings. You need not go and search; it will come as a notification to you. Sounds exciting, right? Same way, you can create new tasks from here. From whichever page you are from that, the plus button will add you for those things. There's a task title. Now, the option of this is given for senior management, for the business owner who has a secretary or someone who takes care of this. For example, a task needs to be created, assigned by can be changed, and assigned to can be changed. For example, you have 10 tasks, you tell your secretary, and secretary can start assigning it as if it is assigned by you. You need not do it manually yourself. The start date, the end date is important. The title is important. The description, you can give what the actual task is. There's a text box, you can keep on typing and give what the actual task is. It will give an idea of that. See if you can keep on typing. This is how you add task. Now, if I go for the repetitive task, it will again give me those days. You want to repeat the period to be daily, weekly, or monthly. You can click on that and it will be reminding you on the same day every month, or weekly on the same day every week. So these are the basic functions. I hope you liked it. Any further clarifications, query, you want to have a hands-on look, you want to touch and feel, be in touch with us, get connected with us, and we'll help you do that. I'm sure this will help you a lot in reducing your follow-up times. The ROI is almost not less, not more than a week for you because it's normally for every business owners how many hours you spend every day to try managing, getting updates, and all those things is a very difficult thing. So that becomes very important for you to the ROI with a great ROI. Now, if you give one more options, there are multiple options there. If you open up in a task, you will know whatever it is. I hope this clarifies that. If you want a detailed demo or want to see how this thing functions, we'll get back. We are happy to give it back to you and get in touch with you. Let's be in touch. Let's take this further. Have a nice day.